What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Shoe Care Academy video. I'm Johnny Bubbles and I want to wish you a happy Valentine's. Well, it's technically not Valentine's, but because it is coming up, I want to give you guys 10% off the entire website so you can grab some Reshoevn8r product for that special someone. All you have to do is use promo code JohnnyBubbles at checkout, and that's it. For today's video, I am going to be cleaning these Strange Love Nike SB Dunks that, as you can see, have definitely been in love way more than they are today. So what I'm going to be doing is using Reshoevn8r's Essential Kit along with the Dry Suede Kit after they're done, so I can bring back the Suede Nap. But without further ado, guys, let's get bubbly. Before we get into today's video, I want to let you guys know that in honor of Black History Month, Reshoevn8r will be donating 5% of all its sales from February 15th all the way to the end of the month to the Movement for Black Lives. In addition, I'll be giving you guys a promo code for 10% off somewhere in the video, so don't miss out. Let's get into it. All right, guys, for today's video, I am only going to be cleaning the left shoe. Now, I typically clean the right, but I want to switch it up for today's video. Now, the first step, remove the laces. All right, guys, now that the laces are removed, I am gonna begin cleaning the uppers with the soft bristle brush. However, I've never cleaned this like velvet material ever on a shoe, so I'm not entirely sure how it's gonna handle, but I'm just gonna be real delicate with that soft brush and hopefully it doesn't, cause any damage. Let's go ahead and pour some solution into our bowl of water. 2 squirts shall do. Start with that soft brush. All right, guys, the uppers are all done. Go ahead and check it out. Now, the suede didn't bleed at all, which is great. And of course, that velvet material, nothing bad happened to it as well. As you can see, it cleaned up really, really good. Now, the next step is to move on to the midsole, and I'm gonna do that using the medium bristle brush. All right, guys, I am done cleaning up the entire midsole. Go ahead and check that out. Let me do a full 360. Now, before I move on to cleaning the outsole, guys, I do want to tell you that we are giving away 1 essential kit to 1 lucky winner. All you have to do to enter is comment below, what is your favorite Nike SB Dunk of all time, along with your IG handle, and we're going to give you guys 48 hours to do so, and we'll be choosing the winner then. So good luck, guys, and I hope you guys love today's video. Now, let's get into cleaning the outsole. All right, guys, go ahead and check out that sole. It is now looking nice and better. However, it's still really stained right here on this heel portion, which unfortunately I don't think I'm gonna be able to get out. So what I would recommend is anytime you have any brand new shoe, or if it's very near dead stock, definitely apply a sole shield to your icy bottoms. It'll prevent this from happening, and it'll prevent it from oxidizing as well. So I definitely recommend you picking one up at Reshoevn8r.com. So now the next step, guys, is to put this shoe off to the side and clean up the laces. All you have to do is dunk them in your bowl of water and solution. Just get them nice and soapy. There you go, guys. Laces are all nice and clean. Now it's time to let the laces and the shoe dry, and we'll be back in a couple of hours. We are back. I went ahead and let this shoe dry. Honestly, it took about 3 hours because that suede likes to hold water, but I'm back. And look at it looking nice and crispy thanks to the Essential Kit. Let me do a quick 360 for you. All right, so next step is to reset the nap on the suede. As you can see, well, I don't know if you can really see, but I can see it's a little crunchy and not nice and plush like it should be. So I'm gonna take the medium brush that's inside of our dry suede kit, hit it back and forth in multiple directions, and just get that suede nice and soft again. So let's get into it. All right, guys, that is it. I am done resetting the nap on the suede. It is now back to nice and soft. Now, as you can see, a side-by-side comparison, guys. the left shoe definitely looks a lot better than the right shoe. We were able to get that suede all nice and clean. And of course, that velvet, which I was a little nervous about getting cleaned up, did clean up really, really well. Now, remember, you can find all the products that I used today at reshoevn8er.com. Don't forget to use my promo code JohnnyBubbles to save 10% off the entire website, guys. But if you like today's video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.